Welcome to Linux Skill. Today we're gonna see how to install Concrete CMS on Oracle Linux 9.3. Concrete CMS is an open source content management system CMS that allows user to build and manage website easily. It provides a user-friendly interface and various tools and features for creating and maintaining web content. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.3. Next, I am going to install Apache Web Server by using the following command. Next, I am going to enable and start the Apache service by using the following command. Next, I am going to start the Apache service. Next, I am going to check the status of Apache service by using the following command. The Apache service is active and running. Next, I am going to install the PHP and its modules by using the following command. Next, I am going to check the version of PHP by using the following command. The PHP version is 8.0. Next, I am going to install the MariaDB server by using the following command. Next, I am going to enable and start the MariaDB service by using the following command. Next, I am going to check the status of MariaDB service by using the following command. MariaDB is active and running. Next, I am going to log into the MariaDB console by using the following command. Next, I am going to create the database by using the following command. Next, I am going to create a user by using the following command. Next, I am going to grant all privileges to the database for that user by using the following command. Next, I am going to flush the privileges by using the following command. Next, I am going to exit from the MySQL console by using the following command. Next, I am going to download the concurrent CMS package by using duplicate command. Next, I am going to unzip the downloaded package by using the following command. Next, I am going to create the concurrent file directory in /var/ww by using the following command. Next, I am going to move the directory to the Apache document root directory by using the following command. Next, I am going to change the ownership of the directory by using the following command. Next, I am going to change the permission of the directory by using the following command. Next, I am going to create the file in the Apache configuration by using the following command. Add those following line. Save and exit from the file. Next, I am going to check the syntax of the Apache configuration file by using following command. Next, I am going to disable the Apache default web page by using following command. Next, I am going to restart the Apache service by using the following command. Next, to open the browser, enter the IP. You will see the following page. Click the next button. Here, the checking the testing environment and click the installation. Now you will see the following sites page. Enter the following details and click install. Enter the database details. And click the check button and click the install concurrent. It will take some time for installation. After download has been completed, click your click edit your sites. This is the dashboard of Concrete CMS. This is a process to install Concrete CMS on Oracle Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.